What's up, guys? Welcome back to the 207 Boys here. So, you know me, I shouldn't have to introduce myself, but I'm going to give you the top steps, the 4 major steps on how to survive in a blizzard. Let's get to it. Guys, all right. So, I'm going to explain to you step number 1 on how to dress for a blizzard, all right? So, this is appropriate jacket. This is what you need. And then you need these, your good, comfortable underwear, warmest thing, and your muck boots. Let's get to it. Woo! Yeah!
How is it, Dom?
It's fucking wonderful! Step 2 on appropriate tool to use. So, appropriate tool is the nice handy dandy metal shovel. Alright? Gotta get right in it. Yeah, boys! Woo! Get rid of that shit! Next time! Now, I'm going to explain to you step number 3, all right? Number 3. So, you're going to salt everything, all right? Make sure I mean everything. Let's get to it.
Okay.
Let's get it! Oh, you motherfucker!
You're gonna salt everything.
Make sure you salt everything. That's the reason why, so you don't flip out and fall like I'm doing now. Oh, I'm pissed off. Step number 4. Be warm. After this fucking blizzard, you want to stay warm and enjoy the good warm hot tub. This is how we do it. Wait a second. This doesn't feel right. This isn't me. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! I got it! Yeah!
What's up, guys? Billy from 207 Boys. We're at 85 subscribers. We need 5 more of you guys to hit that subscribe button till we're at 100.
One that's free, quick maths.
Thanks. Peace.